What's up, YouTube? It's Bush360 back at it again with another video, man. Today's video is going to be about, for all my new subscribers, for all my kind of new subscribers, this video is going to be about how to get 360 waves, you feel me? Not all my subscribers know everything about waves, don't know everything about the tips. They don't know all the method. All they know is just brush and put Murray's in my hair or put 360 cream grease in my hair, you feel me? That's the beginning stage, but let me help you jump some stages ahead. Let me help you, instead of going piece by piece, you can kind of skip some levels and not put so much of that bad stuff in your hair and start putting some of that healthy oils and just healthy stuff in your hair and help you really the faster way how to get waves or how to get 360 waves or any type of waves, really, you feel me? So with that being said, make sure you watch the whole video to watch completely all the tips. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now. Make sure you subscribe. If you already subscribed, turn post notifications on. If post notifications already on, I appreciate you. But if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now. You might want to hit that bell too, because this video is going to be lit. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. With that being said, I ain't going to talk so much. Let's come out the rag and let me show you what I'm working with, man. I ain't going to talk so much. I ain't going to talk a lot. I'm going to get straight to the point. I know y'all see them connections getting better and better. Yes, I'm going for a beehive. I'm not getting a swirl no more. So yeah, the connections are getting better. My waves are still thick. I'm still woofing. Me and Rico the Waver. And shout out to Rico the Waver, man. His do-rag right here, man. I wear his do-rag every day. You feel me? I support just somebody close that I know, and somebody that, you feel me, like just somebody close that's supporting these people that I don't know and that I've never seen before. So I really support my brother that's doing something right for the community, the wave game, and also the black community. You feel me? Black YouTube. And he doing good. He doing right. But with that being said, we finna just get a little session, and I'm finna tell y'all the steps are really what to do. Some steps I'm not finna do right now because that's way in the bathroom. So I'm gonna tell you what to do. First, you wanna get you a comb. You want a comb. Now, matter of fact, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do all the steps for y'all. I ain't gonna be lazy. I'm gonna do all the steps for y'all. I'm gonna do them all. But yeah, you see the way, you see how they busting. You see how the side is just busting. You feel me? You want a comb, you wanna open up that scalp. You wanna wake that scalp up. You feel me? You wanna wake it up. It's been in a rag all day. You just wanna wake it up. So, you just want to comb. Just wake everything up. Wake it up. My hair is still long, so don't think it's not. Still long. Still long. Told you I'm woofing. You know, it doesn't look like it because I had to just bounce my hair in motion. I had to bounce it back in motion. And I had to get back brushing. I had to get back doing the stuff that I used to do. I got lazy. But who doesn't get lazy? Everybody gets lazy. I know I'm a YouTuber. I'm a waiver YouTuber. I got lazy. You feel me? So I'm back on it though. But I still been brushing. You feel me? You want to comb. You want to just wake it up. Wake it up. Wake it up. Wake it up. Let's get a good comb session in. Wake that hairline up. You want to wake it up. Okay, after you get that good comb session in, you see my hair is lifted. Looks completely different. You want to get you a hot towel. A hot towel, and you want to like apply it on your head. The reason why you want to apply it on your head is because you want to wake your scalp up, and you want to open up them pores of it. When you apply oil, grease, or whatever pomade you apply in your hair, it gets to that scalp, especially if you're woofing. If you're woofing, you got so much hair, you're not going to be able to get that oil down to your scalp. It's going to be just on top of your hair, and it's going to be no point because you're not oiling your scalp. You're not taking care of the bottom of the root, like the bottom of the plant. You're not watering the bottom of the plant. So it's like, you want to make sure you get that hot towel, and you want to apply it on your head, and you want to, I'm finna get the hot towel right now. That hot towel, I'm sorry about that. After you get that hot towel, you want to just apply it on your head. Just to open them pores up. You want to just apply it on there. Open the pores up. Usually I dip it back in the hot water and just to keep it hot, but the sink's way in the bathroom, so we just gonna do it like this. Also works like this too. As long as you just applying some heat, even if it's a little bit of heat, to open them pores up. You want to open them pores up. You want to just open them up, open them up, open them up. After you do that, as you can see, my hair look like a little shinier too. Now, water also gives it a little shine. You already know water is just, man, that's natural purified water. It's also gonna give it that nice shine. After you get that nice, apply that nice hot towel method, and you want to apply some, oils or whatever you put in your hair to just get it through that scalp. You want to comb it through that scalp. After you put some oils in, you want to comb it through that scalp. So we're gonna put a little bit of oil into my hair. Put so much. You want to just apply it to that scalp. Cause my pores are open, so you just want to apply it in there. You want to apply it in there, and it also makes your hair nice and soft. Cause my hair feels way softer. Y'all know my Boots 360 people that have been watching me, my connections got way better. My waves got way better. Let me know. For those that have been watching me, comment below. Let me know. Because if I get a lot of comments, I'm going to just start brushing crazy again. I'm going to just go crazy. Because y'all motivate me, man. So if y'all not really motivating me, y'all not telling me, oh, Bucci, your waves got better, or I see progress, or I see better connections, let me know. Comment. And if you don't feel like commenting, just leave it a thumbs up. I know some of y'all lazy and y'all don't want to comment or something. You feel me? If y'all don't want to comment, just let me know. Then you want to grab your comb. You want to grab your comb because you just put the oil in, so you want to comb it through your scalp because your scalp is dry. You want to comb it through your scalp. You feel me? So it can get in your scalp. You feel me? So you just want to comb it through. Comb it through. Moist that scalp up. Moist that scalp up. Don't worry about my crown. Worry about these waves. I told y'all there's levels to it. Don't worry about it. You want to just moist that scalp up. I'm combing it through. Ooh, it feels so good. Oil that scalp up. Oops. Don't go too fast. After you do that, I'm going to do the hand method. You feel me? And I suggest my beginners, y'all start doing this method at an early stage, because I didn't start doing this method until I was just later in my waves where I was already dipping. You start doing it at an early stage, you start training your hair will start to get used to it, and it'll start to lay down better. That way when your waves do start coming in, they'll be nice and laid. You'll be like, man, thanks to Boots 360, man, he laced me, man. He got me right. After you apply that oil in there, I like to just apply just a little more, because I'm woofing and I have a lot of hair, so I just want to keep my hair moisturized. But if you have a little bit of hair, you really don't need that much oil. You just need a little bit. But you want to make sure that you're taking care of it. You want to rub it in there, because it's already in your scalp. So you just want to rub it in there. That's what you want to do. You just want to rub it in there, man. That's all you want to do. The hand method is always the best method. It's the closest to the plastic bag method, because the hand method, man, it's you just go crazy. You go crazy. It's like you brushing. You do the hand method the same as you brush. The same way you brush, you do this hand method. I promise you, do these steps every day. Sorry about that, y'all. I got a cold. That's the reason why I really haven't been posting, so y'all just bear with me, man. Bear with me. And then last but not least, you want to get your plastic bag. You want to do the plastic bag method. Before anything, you want to do the plastic bag method. No, my bad, not plastic bag method. Sorry about that, y'all. After you comb, put the oil in, hand method, then you want to hit it like with a medium or soft brush, or however length your brush is. I'm sorry about that, y'all, man. I'm tripping. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to use a little brush right now. You want to hit it with the brush. You want to keep hitting it. That way everything is just laid and secured. Hit it with the brush to lay everything down. Lay everything down. And for those that have been wanting Boots 360 brushes, I'm currently out of stock right now. I'll be back in stock sometime next month. So I'll keep you guys updated, and we're going to go from there. Appreciate those that have bought a Boots 360 brush. I sold out. I appreciate you guys, man. I still got do-rags. So if you guys need designer do-rags, any type of dope do-rags, hit me. I got you guys, man. I'm shipping also. You guys want to FaceTime me and get brush sessions in? Comment below. Let me know. You just want to brush. Make sure you get that good session in real quick before you let that plastic bag in. I'm going to get a brush session after this. So don't think that I always tell y'all I'm just getting these little sessions in on video. I go crazy off video. If I got little sessions in on video, my waves wouldn't be like this. This is hard work. This is hard work. Hard work, I promise you. Look at that shine, I promise you. You just wanna, whoo. Hard work. Whew, that shine go crazy. Then you wanna just, you see, I got a little bit of fuzzy hair popping up and stuff. It's cool, it's cool. And you wanna end it with the plastic bag method, like I've been telling y'all. Wanna end with the plastic bag method, so you just wanna, man, I'm sorry about that, y'all, man. My nose running, man. It's cool though, gang. I'ma still go hard for y'all and stay active. I'ma still grind. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Through the sickness, through the coldness, I'ma still grind. I'm still grind. You feel me? So this is where my beginner wavers, you feel me? Like I told y'all, first you wanna come out the rag. Then you wanna comb, you wanna wake that scalp up. And then you wanna do the hot towel method. Then you want to apply some oil in it, rub it through. Then you want to comb it again and comb it through your scalp. Then you want to apply some more oil in it. And then you want to get your medium brush, hard brush, soft brush, whatever brush you're using. It's not a brush I use, whatever brush you're using. Comb it, brush it, hard brush it through. And then you want to grab your plastic bag to lay everything down. But you want to make sure you get a good session in. Don't get a quick session like I am right now because it's only for the video. Don't get it quick. Make sure you keep brushing. If you got to replay my video, keep replaying it. You gotta share with a waver at school that you feel like they waves need work on, then share it. You feel me? Comment below. Share with friends, family, everybody. Whew, that shine just go crazy when I get up close. That's really all it is. Ooh. Ooh, my hair's super late. Look at that shine. These waves go crazy, man. They're getting better and better. But like I told y'all, the only way your waves won't get better is if you're brushing. That's the only way. That's the only, it's not gonna get better by the grease you use. It's not gonna get better by the plastic bag you use. It's only gonna get better if you're brushing. So you wanna make sure, shout out to Rico the waver man, finna throw his do-rag on. Make sure you brushing. Make sure you are brushing. Because if you're not brushing, your waves are not gonna get better. They're not gonna get better connections. They're not gonna get thick or however you want your waves. They're not, because you're not brushing. You have to make sure you're brushing. You have to make sure. Having waves is all about being consistent. You can't just, it's not like having hair where you can wake up and just condition your hair whenever you want and go to sleep however you want. Waves, you really have to rag up. You really have to brush. It's 24 hours a day. So if you could at least take an hour or two out your day just brushing, or take 30 minutes out of the day just getting little sessions in, you're going to see progress. You're going to see it. So it's like, y'all stop being lazy. It's no excuses why everybody waves should look good. Because all you're doing is brushing. It's really not that hard. The only hard thing about it is if you're trying to get like a particular crown, or you're trying to get 720 waves or 4, or however them waves is, then that's, I don't know, that's kind of hard because I never had that. I always had 360. That's why my name is Boots 360. You feel me? So with that being said, man, you want to make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you're not. It's Boots 360 gang. We out.